Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the trademark symbol on your Google Docs mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the trademark symbol in Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, just open this document here and you're just clicking on this edit option. So you just need to use your keyboard to insert the symbols because there is no option available for insert symbol in Google Docs mobile application. It only available on the PC, and now you just need to, I just using Google keyboard. You can use your own keyboard or just use Google keyboard or Gboard. Click on this number option here, then click on this option again. You will see a lot of option on the downside. Here is the trademark symbol, so you can just insert the trademark symbol that where you just want easily like this, and then you can just select it, click on this A symbol, and you can just resize it like this. So this is how you just insert trademark symbol on your Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.